Hi there, and welcome back to Chapter 5, Lecture 18. We continue to work on the rear of the building and focus on the wooden planks there. I want to replace it with brown bricks because I think that fits pretty good. We have red on top, but it's no problem to mix that with different types of bricks as long it matches each other. So we're gonna give it a try. So we select the building and we go to plus, new, and call this brown brick. Yes. And we go to principled and an image texture. And we open, we go to brown brick, and we select that one. Okay. We need to select the faces, so go to face selection mode and go to the rear. And we start displaying. And well, that's already pretty good. Yes, so we assign it and go to brown bricks in the UV image editor. Okay, and material. So what we have are really tiny bricks, so make them turn off O a bit bigger. That looks good to me. And I want to add some variation, but that's what I will do later. First, I want to focus on the transition between the plaster and the bricks. Right now it's pretty hard, so I want to add a sort of a wooden bar right there with a UV overlay. So we have brick over layer and call this wood. Okay, keep things short. The names helps a lot. So go to plaster, node editor, and right now the plaster is really empty. And delete, add shader, principled, shader of all shaders, and duplicate it, shift right mouse, alt, and add a mix. And I want a transparent texture, this plank. I'm going to use it for a lot of things. And we start with the rear. So also put the alpha inside of it and add input UV map, wood, put this into the plank. Great. So the wood is selected. So I want to select all the UVs. UV image editor, and go to wood. This is the wood ornament. What's the name of the wood? It's good to have. Oh, what's called plank. Plank 9 transparent. Okay, scale this all down. And I like to start on this side and select all these. Go to the material view and you want to select this bevel as well, but at the same time it's selecting a part of the building. So select all of these and deselect it. So we have the bevel selected, what is good, and go to the side and you project from view and scale this. This is going to be a little bit scary. Okay, so I want this wood to be overlapping, and it seems that it works pretty well. Maybe a bit bigger. Oh, that's the wrong UV. That's better. Okay, let's try this version. Maybe a bit smaller. So we have some on this side, and repeat this process for this side as well, including the bevel. That's a bit challenging. Let's see. Deselect it. Deselect these as well. There's still one selected. Just try to deselect the dot. All right, I go for a new think this B was not selected. Yes, that will do. You project from view and scale this. Yes, and material. And this looks very natural, transition. So if you don't have this wooden bar, it's a really hard transition with the wood on the front. So I want to do this as well on this side. And I know there is no wood, but we will get away with it. This is a sort of a pillar effect. So I want to select this side again. Yes. It's very important you keep checking everything and go to the side view. Yes. You project from view and SX rotate it and check it. I think it's too thick right now. So make it bigger. Yes. And one over there as well, and deselect it. And UV, side view, and make a projection. Scale this as X and rotate it a bit more. Yes. Great. It's really good. And we want one on this side as well. Rotate and select all of them. Yeah. Wood. And return. Projection. Okay. Good. So we've changed this into a brick color and added the wooden corners. And it's just the beginning of tweaking the material, because there is a lot of things to do to make it looks, to improve the looks. Yeah, but we need to start somewhere, right? Okay, really happy. In the next lecture we continue with this, but for now it's the end of this lecture. Okay, bye bye.